from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute everyone in your Xbox One party chat. This is very easy to do. So if I press the Xbox guide button right here, open up this screen, I want to tab on over to the parties and chat screen. Now, I can press the X button to mute everyone. So I can do it from this screen. Now it says unmute everyone. Otherwise, I can select into this screen and open up my party. Now, I can press X in this screen. Otherwise, I can go on down to options. Then I can go to where it says mute everyone. And I know it's turned on. Now it says unmute everyone on the top here. Otherwise, we can go to individuals in our party. We can select their name, and then we can go to mute specifically under their name. So we don't have to mute everyone. We can just mute one person. And I believe there will be a voice volume slider in here. So we can reduce the sound of their microphone if it is too loud. But you can easily come to this section and then go ahead and mute them. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.